what we often hear, the 24/7 thing is a big challenge. Yeah? For instance, with your customers, Thijs, when they have to make this call, the SAP security team often likes to work from Monday to Friday, but security maybe starts when people are off, during vacation times and public holidays, and Friday evening is also a nice time window when the lights are out and people are off. And how do you cover 24/7? That's a thing where you consider other options, right?
Yeah, especially for smaller companies. So if you have the S500, they will have around the sun kind of service desk, right? So that will always be covered. They have teams during the night as well. But definitely for let's say average customers as well, they don't have this luxury. They will indeed have a certain window where they can report, where they get the support. So outside, it would be great if you can still get this.
Yeah, that's where you then hire someone who takes care of the weekends and the 24 window. Yeah.
So in summary, basically we have an offering together that applies to all sizes of companies, and the companies really need to answer themselves whether the data that they produce or create or operate with in SAP systems are as critical that they need to secure it. My initial reaction would be always, because ERP data implies intellectual property, conditions, finance data and stuff like that, and that should have a high standard of protection.